Welcome back to our channel, where we help you make the best choices for your outdoor adventures. Today we're diving deep, literally, into the world of fish finders. If you're an angler looking to level up your game, stay tuned as we count down the top 5 best fish finders for 2025. Let's get started. Number 5 on our list is the Lowrance Hook 2 Fish Finder. The Lowrance Hook 2 Fish Finder is a popular choice for fishing enthusiasts looking for an affordable and user-friendly device to enhance their fishing experience. This compact fish finder packs a lot of features into a simple, easy-to-use package. Here's a detailed look at its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right choice for your fishing needs. Pros: easy to use. The Lowrance Hook 2 is designed with simplicity in mind. Its auto-tuning sonar automatically adjusts settings based on the conditions, saving you from manually tweaking configurations. The intuitive phone-like menu system ensures that even beginners can navigate the device with ease, allowing you to spend more time fishing and less time fumbling with technology. Wide sonar coverage. Equipped with a wide-angle sonar cone, this device provides double the coverage of traditional fish finders. The enhanced coverage allows anglers to scan larger areas, improving the chances of locating fish faster and more efficiently. Versatile setup options. The Hook 2 is highly adaptable when it comes to installation. The single transducer can be mounted in multiple ways, including on the transom, inside the hull, on the trolling motor, through a scupper hole. This flexibility ensures compatibility with various boat types and fishing setups, making it an excellent choice for diverse fishing environments. Transducer included. The device comes with a bullet skimmer transducer, providing reliable 2D sonar views. This traditional fish finding method displays fish arches and underwater structures clearly, helping anglers identify their targets effectively. Smaller screen size. The 4-inch screen is adequate for basic use but may feel cramped when displaying detailed sonar data. Anglers accustomed to larger screens might find the viewing experience less comfortable. The Lowrance Hook 2 Fish Finder is an excellent choice for anglers who prioritize ease of use, quick setup, and wide sonar coverage at an affordable price point. Its intuitive interface and versatile installation options make it especially appealing to beginners or occasional fishers. Number 4 is the Simrad Cruise 5 Fish Finder. If you're a boating enthusiast or an angler looking for a reliable and easy-to-use chart plotter, the Simrad Cruise 5 Fish Finder might be a great addition to your gear. Designed with simplicity and functionality in mind, it offers intuitive navigation and valuable features to make your time on the water enjoyable. But how does it measure up overall? Let's dive into the pros and cons of this device. Pros: user-friendly interface. The Simrad Cruise 5 excels in usability thanks to its intuitive menus and rotary dial control. Even those new to GPS navigation or fish finders will find it easy to operate without a steep learning curve. Preloaded charts. Preloaded with a US coastal map, the device is ready to use right out of the box. This saves you the hassle of downloading or purchasing initial charts. For those who need more advanced features, the unit supports enhanced charts from trusted providers like CMAP and Navionics. Versatile Chirp sonar. The included Chirp sonar transducer provides reliable depth tracking with minimal setup. This feature ensures accurate underwater mapping, making it ideal for both casual cruising and fishing. Critical information display. Simrad Cruise 5 doesn't just show you where you're going, it keeps you informed about key boat metrics, including depth, position, and battery voltage. This all-in-one functionality enhances situational awareness and safety. Compact and lightweight design. With its sleek and portable design, the Simrad Cruise 5 is easy to install and doesn't take up too much space on your boat, making it a great choice for smaller vessels. Cons: basic display size. The 5-inch display may feel small for users accustomed to larger screens, especially when viewing detailed maps or monitoring multiple metrics at once. For larger boats or those who need more screen real estate, this could be a drawback. The Simrad Cruise 5 delivers on its promise of effortless and reliable navigation. Its intuitive interface, preloaded maps, and dependable sonar make it a standout choice for recreational boating and fishing. While it lacks some high-tech features, its ease of use and practicality outweigh its limitations for many users. If you're seeking a straightforward and budget-friendly chart plotter, the Simrad Cruise 5 is a solid contender to enhance your boating adventures. Coming in at number 3 is the Lowrance HDS Fish Finder. The Lowrance HDS fish finder stands out in the world of marine electronics, offering advanced features and cutting-edge technology to help anglers find fish with precision. Whether you're a professional fisherman or a weekend enthusiast, the Lowrance HDS fish finder promises to enhance your fishing experience. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons of this high-tech device. Pros. Unto many advanced fish finding technology, one of the standout features of the Lowrance HDS fish finder is its ability to simultaneously view Chirp sonar alongside Structure Scan 3D or Structure Scan HD. This provides the most detailed and accurate view of both fish and underwater structures, giving you a clearer understanding of what's beneath and around your boat. Dual-core processor for speed and power. The fish finder comes equipped with a dual-core processor that ensures lightning-fast redraws and quick response times. This means smoother operation, faster data processing, and the ability to easily drive advanced technologies such as Structure Scan 3D, Mercury Vessel View Link, and Lowrance Outboard Pilot. High Visibility Color Sonar. Lowrance has introduced a new dynamic color range that drastically improves visibility. The result is a high-contrast display that makes fish and underwater structures pop with vivid clarity. Whether using side scan, down scan imaging, total scan, or structure scan HD/3D, the improved color range offers a near photographic image, enhancing your ability to spot fish and navigate underwater terrain. Dual-channel Chirp sonar. The Lowrance HDS fish finder features dual-channel Chirp sonar, allowing you to view two Chirp channels simultaneously. This functionality offers increased target separation, especially near the bottom or in tight schools of fish. It ensures that no target goes unnoticed, even in the most challenging fishing environments. Easy routing and navigation. For anglers who want to get to their fishing spots quickly and safely, the HDS fish finder offers easy routing with automatic route planning. By taking into account the boat's draft, beam, and height, the device automatically plots the safest and shortest route, avoiding potential hazards. This feature requires C-Map Max N+ charts for full functionality. Cons. Size and mounting. Depending on the model, the HDS fish finder can be fairly large, which might pose challenges for smaller boats with limited dashboard space. Additionally, some users may find the mounting process a bit more involved compared to simpler, more compact fish finders. The Lowrance HDS fish finder is an excellent choice for serious anglers looking for top-tier performance, speed, and advanced imaging features. With its powerful dual-core processor, dual-channel Chirp sonar, and high-visibility color sonar, it provides unparalleled detail and clarity on the water. Number 2 is the Humminbird Helix 5 Chirp Fish Finder. Humminbird Helix 5 Chirp Fish Finder is a versatile and powerful tool designed to improve your fishing experience. It combines several advanced technologies that make it a valuable asset for both casual anglers and serious fishermen. We will explore the pros and cons of this fish finder to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Pro. Easy-to-use keypad control. The Helix 5 features a user-friendly keypad control system, allowing you to master the device with just the touch of a button. The soft key controls give you access to preloaded views, making it easy to operate the fish finder in any conditions, whether you're on the water or in challenging weather. Dual Spectrum Sonar. One of the standout features of the Helix 5 is its dual spectrum sonar. This technology delivers highly detailed fish arches and a clear view of underwater structures. With two modes, wide mode offers maximum coverage, while narrow mode allows you to focus on even the smallest details. This is ideal for locating fish and understanding the structure below the surface before you cast your line. Internal GPS and Humminbird Base Map. Equipped with internal GPS and an enhanced Humminbird Base Map, the Helix 5 helps you navigate with confidence. The base map includes charts for over 1,000 lakes and coastal coverage for the U.S., displaying important features such as buoys, hazards, marinas, and depth markers. It offers a comprehensive view of the underwater terrain, making it easier to find and target productive fishing spots. Premium chart compatibility. For anglers looking to take their fishing game to the next level, the Helix 5 is compatible with a range of premium charts. You can choose from Humminbird's LakeMaster and Coastmaster products or Navionics charts, which provide detailed information about the underwater environment and local waterways. This option offers flexibility and ensures you have the best charts for your fishing location. AutoChart Live. One of the most innovative features of the Helix 5 is AutoChart Live, which allows you to create real-time maps of your fishing spots. You can map depth contours, bottom hardness, and vegetation as you drive your boat. With 8 hours of built-in recording time and the ability to use AutoChart's zero-line SD cards, the Helix 5 offers virtually unlimited mapping capacity, making it a great tool for custom mapping your favorite fishing locations. Cons: limited screen size. While the 5-inch display on the Helix 5 is sufficient for many anglers, it may feel small for those who prefer larger screens for a better visual experience. The smaller size might be challenging when viewing detailed sonar data or maps, especially in bright sunlight, or when on a boat with limited space. The Humminbird Helix 5 Chirp Fish Finder offers a powerful combination of sonar, GPS, mapping features, and premium chart compatibility. Its ease of use, detailed sonar views, and innovative AutoChart Live feature make it an excellent choice for serious anglers who want to take their fishing to the next level. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Garmin Striker Vivid 7 CV Fish Finder. The Garmin Striker Vivid 7 CV Fish Finder is a versatile and feature-rich device designed to help anglers improve their fishing experience. With its easy-to-use interface, vivid color palettes, and powerful sonar capabilities, it's an excellent choice for both novice and experienced fishers. Here's a detailed breakdown of the pros and cons of the Garmin Striker Vivid 7 CV to help you decide if it's the right choice for your fishing adventures. Pros: vivid color palettes. The Garmin Striker Vivid 7 CV is equipped with a 7-inch color display that features Garmin's new Vivid Scanning Sonar color palettes. This feature enhances visibility, making it easier to distinguish between fish, structure, and other underwater elements. Whether you're fishing in shallow or deep waters, these color palettes help provide clear, easy-to-read images that improve your ability to spot fish and structures. Dual sonar technology. This fish finder includes the Deep 20 transducer, which offers both Chirp traditional sonar and Chirp Clearview scanning sonar. The Chirp traditional sonar provides excellent target separation and clarity, while the Clearview scanning sonar gives you a detailed view of what's beneath your boat, including fish, structures, and the bottom of the water. This dual sonar technology ensures you get a comprehensive understanding of the underwater environment. High sensitivity GPS. The Garmin Striker Vivid 7 CV comes with built-in high-sensitivity GPS, allowing you to mark waypoints, create routes, and track your boat's speed. This is particularly useful when navigating unfamiliar waters, as it helps you remember productive fishing spots and return to them later. The speed tracking feature also helps you maintain optimal speed for different fishing techniques. Quick Draw Contours Mapping. Built-in Quick Draw Contours mapping lets you create custom maps with one contours. This feature is incredibly useful for exploring new fishing areas, as it enables you to map out the bottom contours of lakes, rivers, and coastal areas. It's a great tool for getting to know a body of water more intimately, which can significantly increase your chances of a successful fishing trip. Cons: limited screen size. While the 7-inch color display is adequate for most users, it might feel a bit small for anglers who prefer larger screens for detailed views or split-screen setups. Larger fish finders are available for those who want more extensive screen real estate for viewing maps, sonar, and other data at the same time. The Garmin Striker Vivid 7 CV Finder is a powerful and user-friendly device that offers impressive sonar technology, high-sensitivity GPS, and great connectivity features. It's perfect for anglers who need a reliable and easy-to-use tool for locating fish and mapping out bodies of water.